Hey guys, this is a meeting for our first job of the project of the cycling underpass. I'm Dallin, working underneath Alan, who's the supervisor manager, and then we have Bo Dinny, which is the rigging supervisor. We've got Greg here from Gateways, who's our client. So this meeting is to just have a look at what gear they've proposed and see if that's right with us and see if we can sort that gear out for them so the project can go smoothly. What they've proposed on these plans from Greg, who's our client, is that we use two 500-ton cranes, one situated here on the road and one on the other side, which will travel around. We'll get that one on there, and it's starting at 12 o'clock at night is when they start cutting. So we need these cranes set up before day shift, which is 6 AM in the morning. Can you see any problems with doing it?
What's the access like? You doing it on the side of the machine?
On the other
Is there
side,
room there, or get trucks down easy?
yeah, well, it's a double lane at each side, so from where it's going to be parked up, we'll have to back it up. We can't just turn around on there,
Yep.
so it'll have to be backed up to this right here.
We have our traffic plans posted daily because they do change from day to day, so we can make sure you've got the latest update on the
Okay,
day.
that's cool. Yeah. No
So there
worries.
will be traffic management as well set up. Is that what you're saying?
This is purely for access because the nature of the project, the roads and the access to each point can change from day to day as far as blockages go. So just so you guys will know where the points will be, but you obviously need to get your travel plans in
Yeah.
place.
That's right. And so our permits for the crane for that night, we can get those.
Yep.
Yeah, that's all right. So just with that, so there's two cranes, we need to bring in counterweights. We want to have two trucks going simultaneously on each side, which brings the counterweights in. Can you see any problems with them doing that? I think it's all right. Yeah. So we want to get those built for 6 AM in the morning, so 6 AM is the cut time. So we've got heaps of time from 12 o'clock at night, that's when they start cutting the gouge out. And then 12 and then 6 in the morning we're going to put the blocks in. This is the rigging gear which they've given us for the blocks. So we've got blocks which go on each side of the cycling underpass. Then we've got the cover blocks there. Bo Danny, you're the rigging supervisor. Do you think this is adequate equipment that we need?
What are the weight of the blocks?
Weight of the blocks are 10 tonne. Right, actually, yeah, 16 tonne. And that's what they've wanted to put there. So do you reckon those clutches are going to be good enough?
Yeah, that should be fine. I'm happy to use that.
Have we got that gear here in the yard, do we? Or do we need to hire it out?
I'd have to have a look.
Let's have a look. Yeah, so we can go chase that up and chase up those permits for the cranes and get onto that. We'll have to arrange staff too. It's going to be day and night shift. So we'll have to go through the riggers.
How many riggers do you want on nights?
Well, we've got to have 4 riggers on day shift and 4 riggers on night. So we've got to have 2 riggers on one crane and 2 riggers on other
Plus
day
two
and night
operators.
shift,
Yeah.
plus the 2 operators. So there's going to be a total of 4 operators and 8 riggers in total, swapping continuously. So what the end result which we want is it to be completed by that day. So night shift sets up, day shift does the blocks. If there's any more blocks left over, then night shift will have to do them. If not, then night shift will just pack up for the rest of the shift and go.
And what's your shift? 6 till 6, is it? Is that what you want to run?
Yeah, 6 to 6. And then our supervisor will have to do a handover in the morning with the day shift crew, tell them where we get.
Yep.
But the most important thing is that they've got to open up the roads Tuesday. So, and if we go over that, then there'll be heaps of fines, which Greg's told me. So, we just got to make sure we're on time and we're organised and we get the stuff done, guys. So, sounding good to you guys?
Yep.
You happy, Greg?
Sounds good.
Yeah. No worries.